Rebuilding a world economy, the post-war era. Post-war settlement and the Bretton Woods institutions. The post-war reconstruction was influenced by two major factors. 1. Emergence of US as the dominant economic, political and military power in the West. 2. Transformation of the Soviet Union from a backward agricultural economy into a world power. Post-war, the United Nations Monetary and Financial Conference, held in July 1944 at Bretton Woods in New Hampshire, USA, aimed at 1. Maintaining economic stability and optimum employment in the industrial world. 2. Control on the flow of goods, capital, and labor by governments. The conference established the International Monetary Fund, IMF, to balance external surpluses and deficits of its member nations, and the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, also called the World Bank, to finance post-war reconstruction. The Bretton Woods system was based on fixed exchange rates. In this system, an exchange rate for currencies was fixed against dollar. Dollar was valued against gold at a fixed price of $35 per ounce of gold. The early post-war years. Due to the Bretton Woods system, the world trade experienced an annual and stable growth rate of 8% between 1950 to 1970. The unemployed rate also averaged less than 5% in industrial nations. The developing nations followed in the footsteps of industrially advanced nations.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.